You gon' feel me. Gave up on me, so turn your back. I can see the demons cause a nigga been blessed. I can tell you worried, but that nigga been in debt. I can't get caught up inside the matter. I should've did better, but it's chatter. I ran out my money off the gravel. Love is just a word, it don't matter to me. I got some written that matters to me. I'm living my second life, it's so amazing. I done been hit with a bullet that went crazy. I done been considered a baby, it don't amaze me. I done came up out the ghetto, my career gated. Same niggas play with the devil, they niggas hate it. All these bitches fuck with no brothers and shit brazen. I sit out the view, bro, these niggas looking for gazing. Money stack tall past the ceiling, I can't be jaded. I done came from sleeping on floors, you can't persuade. I been taking those niggas' blows, it's getting outrageous. Bitch nigga caught with a bitch for minimum wage. Fucking with my ego, but I never lost a lady. Fuck the pop star after I got my dreads braided. Never dropped the name, but the hit gang contagious. 20% of my days, I took them right out to Vegas. You can feel the pain when I'm rapping cause I'm raging. You can see my pants and what I was on their faces. I done flipped the truck over and crashed up the ages. I've been with these blue hunters like a nigga racing. I've been getting richer each year, feel like I'm racing. Try to tell you the farmers, I bet you where I take you. Hard working, perseverance, they ain't related. Hopping up on Forbes and fucking up my relations. 10 million plus on the crib and it's vacant. I can see it vividly at the crib, basement. Watch them get the moolah, I was sitting back being patient. I was sitting back programming my brain off the training. I be in my coupe, made like a name out the training. Thinking about when I was posted up, when they raided. Now I know my Lord ghosted up out the spacious. I don't feel the safest, but I feel gracious. I thank God everything, I don't feel basic. Probably lose my sanity if it ain't my baby. Probably be gambling with my life if I ain't made it. All man invasion, you ain't have to persuade me. Put it with a razor, serve it to your day. Flipping out the ball talk, falling to the job. Get my grandma on the serve the dough that ain't alive. You can tell I've been broke when you look into my eyes. Nobody to notice till the jet was in the sky.